Hi guys, welcome to the Hyphen Technologies. In a world powered by technology, every business needs a partner they can trust, a partner that connects innovation with reliability. At Hyphen Technologies, our ERP and software solutions redefine how businesses operate. We develop intelligent systems that automate tasks, integrate processes, and deliver real-time insights, helping you make faster, smarter decisions. From finance to inventory, human resources to customer management, our ERP platforms are customized to your business needs. Every solution we create is designed for performance, scalability, and success. And because technology never sleeps, our maintenance contracts ensure that your systems never slow down. With proactive monitoring, timely updates, and dedicated on-site support, we keep your business running seamlessly. At Hyphen, we believe maintenance isn't just service, it's commitment. Every system we build and every solution we maintain stands on a foundation of trust, precision, and performance. Hyphen Technologies, your trusted partner in digital transformation. Empowering businesses, connecting technology. Delivering excellence. Visit hyphenksa.com to learn more.